Delta Vent SA is a vapor-permeable air barrier and water-resistive barrier. It allows moisture within the building enclosure to escape through the membrane via diffusion, while remaining liquid watertight. Its permeability and air tightness make it the ideal air and water-resistive barrier membrane for energy-efficient construction. Apply gypsum sheathing to the wall and secure in place. Prime sheathing and 4 to 6 inches of the top of concrete foundation with Delta adhesive LVC. Or prime substrate and apply Delta Thene to concrete foundation before overlapping with Delta Vent SA. Install Delta flashing over the interface of concrete foundation and exterior sheathing. Place the Delta Fast corner in each of the window corners and staple or glue in place. Install metal flashing at the base of the wall and tape along the top of the flashing with Delta multiband tape. Apply Delta Vent SA completely and continuously to substrate in a sequential overlapping method, starting at bottom or base of wall and working up. Remove release liner from top half of sheet and press Delta Vent SA firmly into place. Remove release liner from bottom half of sheet and press Delta Vent SA firmly into place. Leave the front release liner in place until the overlapping Delta Vent SA is ready to be sealed. Ensure proper alignment of membrane to avoid wrinkles. Using hand roller, firmly roll all membrane surfaces to ensure appropriate adhesion. Stagger all vertical joints and seal non-factory end laps of Delta Vent SA with Delta multiband tape. Cut the membrane at approximately 45 degrees at corner of windowsill and fold flaps inward around bottom sill, jambs, and window head. Cut away excess material. Using a hand roller, firmly roll all membrane surfaces. Install Delta flashing membrane at sill. Ensure a minimum 2-inch lap onto face of wall. Install Delta multiband gusset at jamb sill corner to seal pinhole. Overlap onto face of wall. Install Delta multiband vertically to seal edge of corner and maintain air barrier continuity. And install Delta multiband diagonally to seal edge of membrane. Caulk the sides and top of the opening and install the window according to manufacturer's instructions. Install Delta flashing tape on the side flanges of window, sealing to Delta Vent SA. Ensure flashing extends minimum 1 inch above window flange and below sill flashing. Install Delta flashing tape across header flange of window, sealing to Delta Vent SA. Ensure the head flashing extends beyond the outer edge of jamb flashing and seal with Delta multiband. It is optional to install furring strips over membrane to create ventilated drainage cavity. On the interior, seal the perimeter gap between the window and the window opening with backer rod and sealant. Secure metal Z-girts in place with thermally broken clips. Place mineral wool between the girts. Secure Delta Facade S by fastening into the girts. For maximum air leakage reduction, tape all horizontal and vertical overlaps and all fasteners with Delta Facade tape. Install additional Z-girts in front of Delta Facade S on which to hang open joint cladding.